Hi folks, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of July 19th, 2016. The charts we look at are brought to us courtesy of Trade Navigator software from Gettess Financial Technologies. And we're looking at a weekly bond market chart here, and you can see the bonds have been very strong for several months now, really, and they finally had a big back-off week last week. Now, we were hoping that that would lead to support in the 170.06 area right there at the projected low. They have not been there. And they haven't exactly rocketed up off of anything either, and therein lies the problem for the week. We're kind of in late July, we have no Brexit, we have no monthly employment reports. This is the definition of summer doldrums, and I'm not sure that there's anything to really get them stimulated here. They could certainly go up here to resistance in the mid 174 area. There's not even anything to stop them from going to 176.20 up here at the upper moving average. And if they were to break all the way down to the mid 166 area here in the mid Keltner channel, that would actually be a relatively bullish pattern. It would just lead them to the highs of this sideways pattern back here, which would still look pretty good. So I don't see anything to stimulate them to do any of that, though. That's the problem. They're just kind of hanging around here, and I'm not sure there's really any opportunities here this week. And speaking of being quiet, how about that weekly bar in the S&P so far? Last week was a move to new all-time highs, and you'd certainly like to see some follow-through and some continuation this week. They still can. I just want to throw a note of caution out. This is 1 year ago when the high for 2015 was made. Now, there's nothing magical about that. Doesn't mean they're going to make the high the same week again this year, but sometimes it's just that easy. So it's worth keeping an eye on. The resistance this week up here is around the 2169 area. Again, haven't been there. The best deal, or would have been the best deal if they'd done it in the first couple days, I think, would have been to buy in the 2131 area here at this support. That's where they should hold if they're going to continue to trend up. But as you can see, they really haven't done much of anything. And similar to the bond market, I'm not sure there's anything to stimulate them. You'd like to see them move and offer some sort of opportunity, but I'm not sure there's anything out there to do it. Of course, we do have a Republican convention going on. You don't suppose somebody might say something silly there, do you? Anyway, I don't have much I can do. So I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into